Hi, I'm Charmaine. Welcome to this 5-minute morning mobility yoga flow for times where you just need to wake up and get your body moving. Come to standing at the top of your mat. Take an inhale breath, then sweep the arms overhead, joining the palms. Exhale down and over the legs, Uttanasana. Inhale, halfway lift, Ardha Uttanasana. Plant the hands and step backwards into downward facing dog. Start to pedal through the legs and find out what's going on down the backs of the hamstrings and the backs of the calves for you today. How tight are the legs feeling? You've just woken up, so I imagine you might need a little pedal here. Inhale, draw the right leg up and start to draw circles with the right leg. I'll let you know when to change direction. Take an inhale breath, and on the exhale, start to change direction of the leg, reversing the circles and keeping them large and wide, so we're warming up the synovial fluid in the hip joint, largest joint in the body. Take an inhale breath as we get ready to swap sides. Left leg rises and starts to draw circles away from you. This is going to help with your movement throughout the day, and it's absolutely brilliant for your mobility and your flexibility too. Time to swap sides as you inhale, bringing the leg towards you now. Draw both feet down to the earth as you reset. Right leg rises to the sky, draw the knee to the nose. Gaze forward and plant the right foot down between the hands, dropping the left knee. Inhale, arms rise to the sky. Option here to come into your crescent lunge. Exhale, enjoying this back bend if you've taken it there. Inhale to rise and place the hands underneath the shoulders as you roll the hips backwards, lengthening through the hamstrings and keeping the toes dorsiflexed. Inhale as you pivot the hips, reaching up to the sky with the left hand in your gate pose. Inhale, hands to the earth, then extend the left leg behind you into your 3-leg dog, getting ready to do the other side. Knee comes into the nose, plant the foot down between the hands. Drop the right knee and let the arms rise up to the sky. Option to stay here or take opposite elbows, swapping the grip of which hand's on top. Exhale into your back bend. Inhale to rise, place the hands under the shoulders and roll the hips backwards, dorsiflexing the toes as we stretch through the hamstring on the left-hand side. Your drishti, your gaze, is in front of you, or perhaps come into a slight forward fold here if that feels good. Take an inhale breath. Bring the hands to the inside of the legs and reach up to the sky with the right arm, stretching all the way through the left-hand side of the body in your gate pose. Exhale, bring the hands down to the earth and come through Chaturanga. Inhaling into your upward facing dog. Stepping or rolling backwards into your downward facing dog. Let the body reset as you take an inhale through the nose and exhale here. Inhale, bring the feet together, let the right leg rise to the sky. Bend the knee as you open up the hip, keeping the shoulders level. Option to stay here or travel the leg all the way behind you, extending into your wild thing pose. Fill the body full of fresh oxygen on the inhale breath. Right hand to the earth as you exhale, extending the leg to the sky. Bring the right leg down to the earth as we swap sides. Left leg rises with the option to bend the knee and stay here. Otherwise, travel the leg all the way behind you, coming into wild thing pose on the opposite side. Exhale. Bring the left hand down to the earth as the leg extends. Left foot lowers to the earth. Gaze forward, drop the knees down to the mat and press the hips all the way back into Balasana, child's pose. On the inhale, hands come to the knees as you rise back up. Bring one hand to the heart and one hand to the belly, allowing yourself this time to acknowledge your practice. I hope this flow's given you a little bit more energy for your day. If you enjoyed the class, please consider dropping a like below and head on over to my channel where you'll find loads more flows for every occasion. In the meantime, have a great day. Take care.